Okay, so hi everybody, hello. I think let's just wait maybe 2 minutes for if more people are joining. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to CUET Exam Factor. So it's एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ मिलती है आपको CUET की कंप्लीट गाइडेंस. सो CUET की प्रिपरेशन करते टाइम हम सब चाहते हैं कि एक अच्छे से अच्छा स्कोर आए, राइट? एंड हमें अपना ऑब्वियसली मनपसंद कॉलेज मिले. So for this, I would recommend you guys to join this platform and complete your preparation. So moving on further, I before that I would like to introduce myself. So my name is Aarushi Anand and I'm from Hindu College. I am currently pursuing BSc Zoology Honours, as you can also see on your screens. And about my CUET, so I appeared in CUET 2023 and I scored 100 percentile in biology, English, and psychology, and 99.8 in chemistry and 99.6 in physics. And I'm here uh, to discuss PYQs of biology with all of you. And we are gonna solve like literal PYQs. And जो अब like आज जो हम PYQ सॉल्व करेंगे उसमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे भी है जो मेरे एग्जाम में आए थे. एंड throughout this session we will also discuss some of the questions जो कि आ सकते हैं, like the probable questions that can come in your CUET 2024 exam. So now moving on to the next slide, what does exam factors offer you as of now? So they have a mock test series going on, which is available for accountancy, BST, economics, maths, physics, chemistry, bio, history, geography, pol science, psychology, English, and general test. Now there is like a very simple reason why you should take that mock test series is like just a very simple reason, very one word answer, and that is practice. The more you're gonna practice mock tests, the more you're gonna practice questions regarding जो मिलते जुलते होंगे CUET पैटर्न से, the more chances you have to score a good marks and get into a good college. And they also have they also have a crash course right now going on, which is also available for the subjects accountancy, economics, maths, physics, chem, bio, history, pol science, English, and general test. So in that crash course, there will be one shot lectures of a particular chapter, and then like for example bio mein they're gonna have a particular chapter and one shot video, and that chapter's concept will be clear for you for everybody. Okay, moving on with the questions. So, like I said, okay, how many marks are required for Hindu college? Okay, so basically the thing is that it depends on different course. So for BSc, the course which I'm doing, I for like science courses, the cutoff is not that high. I mean, it's high, considerably high. Like the percentile marks would, like you can see 99 चाहिए. लेकिन जो marks and percentile में फ़र्क होता है, right? Percentile is something कि आपको बाकी लोगों से कैसा आया, and marks is like a raw score. सो परसेंटाइल तो आपको हिंदू कॉलेज के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा चाहिए. यू नीड 99 परसेंटाइल एटलीस्ट फॉर हिंदू कॉलेज. एंड बाकी it depends on which course you are preferring. Should we start with the questions now? आज एक बहुत ही informal सा first session है. So it's like only 4 to 5 questions, good questions. So we're just gonna see and interact today. Okay, so let's start. Um, as you can see, there's a question on your screens that the question is Sonalika and Ratna are the high yielding varieties HYV of the options are wheat and rice, rice and wheat, maize and rice, wheat and millet. Consider for option A and B to be um, same. तो सिर्फ तीन ही options हैं ठीक है so okay, so Pranshu is saying that the answer is D. Okay. So the answer for this question देखते हैं चलो क्या है. The answer for this question is A. अब ना for this question ये ना मैंने कैसे याद किया था so this is a chapter जो आपके बोर्ड्स में नहीं आया था ये डिलीट हो गया था तो probably आपको लग रहा होगा कि इस चैप्टर में प्रॉब्लम है that you can refer to you know आपको like पढ़ना पड़ेगा इसको एक बार right so द थिंग इज ये मैंने कैसे याद किया था तो बहुत ही सिंपल है अ, जो ये जो टॉपिक है HYV सीड्स का उसमें तीन कैटेगरीज दी हुई है व्हीट एंड राइस मिलेट्स एंड शुगर केन सो मिलेट्स में कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है शुगर केन के ऑप्शंस थोड़े से अलग है और व्हीट एंड राइस में सोनालिका रत्ना सोना ऐसे ऑप्शंस है तो मैंने ऐसे याद किया था कि व्हीट एंड राइस दे आर लाइक द स्टेपल फूड ऑफ इंडिया तो ऐसे बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट बहुत ही क्रूशल लाइक इट्स लाइक gold and it's like diamonds and hira to us right so sonalika and ratna ऐसे wheat and rice करके ऐसे याद किया था just telling you if that helps. Okay, now the second question is the historic convention on biological diversity held in Rio de Janeiro in 1992 is called. So the options are the World Summit, MEBA program, the Earth Summit, and G16 Summit. So guys, like up start answering for second question. Uh, first question का answer A था. ओके सेकंड क्वेश्चन सो अगर हम इसमें एलिमिनेशन करें बिकॉज इसमें बहुत सारे सबमिट्स हैं एंड ऑल्सो अगेन दिस इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम अ डिलीटेड पार्ट सो दिस इज फ्रॉम योर सेकेंड लास्ट चैप्टर का लास्ट पेज इफ यू सी इन योर एनसीईआरटी दैट इट्स फ्रॉम देयर ठीक है सो नाउ व्हाट कैन बी द आंसर तो G16 हो नहीं सकता राइट MABA प्रोग्राम नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज इट्स अ प्रोग्राम एंड इट हैज टू बी a sort of a convention, a sort of a summit, right? So the answer for this can either be the World Summit or the Earth Summit. So now in your book, the Earth Summit and the World Summit both are mentioned. So it's like Earth Summit 1992 में हुई थी Rio de Janeiro में and the World Summit was like a follow up for the Earth Summit that happened in Johannesburg. So yes, the answer for this is C. Correct. The answer for this is C. Now, question 3. Question 3 is antibiotic resistance gene in a vector helps in the selection of A. Recombinant cells, B. Transformed cells, C. Competent cells, and D is totipotent cells. So, अगर इस क्वेश्चन में भी हम एलिमिनेशन करें सो टोटिपोटेंट सेल्स हो नहीं सकता बिकॉज हम एक जीन और एक वेक्टर की बात करें रिकॉम्बिनेंट सेल्स ट्रांसफॉर्म सेल और कॉम्पिटेंट सेल्स सो कॉम्पिटेंट सेल्स भी नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज कॉम्पिटेंट सेल्स आर द सेल्स जिसमें ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो सकती है राइट रिकॉम्बिनेंट सेल्स और रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए इज डीएनए जिसमें हम जीन लाइक वो जीन चेंज कर देते हैं राइट सो द आंसर फॉर दिस इज बाय एलिमिनेशन मेथड इज ऑल्सो ट्रांसफॉर्म सेल बट अगर मैं कॉन्सेप्ट समझाऊँ तो ट्रांसफॉर्म सेल बेसिकली क्या होता है अभी यू मस्ट हैव सीन द बैम H1 वाला फोटो इन योर बुक्स तो बेसिकली उसके एग्जाम्पल लेते हुए इफ आई टेल यू, बैम एच 1 से अगर हम टेट्रासाइक्लिन रेजिस्टेंट जीन हटा देंगे और अगर हम वहाँ पे कोई और जीन लगा देंगे और उसको हम टेट्रासाइक्लिन में डालेंगे तो उसके पास टेट्रासाइक्लिन की रेजिस्टेंस खत्म हो चुकी है. अब इफ द टेट्रासाइक्लिन रेजिस्टेंस इज ओवर, सो इट कैन ग्रो इन टेट्रासाइक्लिन, राइट? सो इसलिए हम इसको इसलिए antibiotic resistance gene is a selectable marker and it helps in the selection of transform cells. अगर कोई डाउट है तो you guys can read the solution as well, which is on your screens, and the answer for that is B, transform cells. So अगर आप लोग A बोल रहे हो for this question, that's wrong. Okay, moving on. Now we come to question 4. Now, a very fun part that this exact same question came in my CUET exam. So let's see what the question is. So select the correct statement regarding menstrual cycle in human females. Statement 1, the female menstruation begins at puberty and is called menopause. So ये तो statement ही गलत है, तो it's like statement 1 is wrong. That makes A and C the wrong options. Right, so you have only B and D now. And B, अगर like देखो, अगर ये एलिमिनेशन तब होता है व्हेन यू डोंट नो द आंसर डायरेक्टली. अगर तुम्हें पता है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो नाउ कंसिडरिंग कि ए और सी हमारे पास नहीं है, नाउ बी एंड डी आर लेफ्ट. बी में द ऑप्शन इज 2 and 4, डी में द ऑप्शन इज 3 and 4. तो 4 तो दोनों में है, तो 4 इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन एनीवेज. तो हमें देखना है 2 और 3 में चेक करना है कौन सी सही है, तो हम बी और डी टिक कर सकते हैं. तो हमें फोर्थ पढ़ने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. Now, the statement second is the ovulation takes place in the middle of the cycle, which is true, when the level of progesterone is at maximum level, which is not true. The level of FSH and LH is at the maximum level, LH specifically. Statement 3 is in absence of fertilization, the corpus luteum degenerates, which causes the disintegration of endometrium, leading to menstruation, which exactly menstruation is, right? So statement 3 is correct. Now option D is the correct option. So if you're saying कि B सही है या A सही है, so you're wrong. The option would be D. As it's explained here. You can read the explanation if you want to. I'll give you like 1 minute for this. Also for this question, you can refer to the chart. If you don't refer to the chart, like एक flow chart sort of दिया हुआ है NCERT में in this chapter, which बहुत ही ब्यूटिफुली रिप्रेजेंट्स कि LH कब राइज होता है एंड प्रोजेस्टेरॉन एंड एस्ट्रोजन कब राइज होते हैं, एंड इन कंपैरिजन टू दैट व्हाट आर द एक्टिविटीज दैट टेक्स प्लेस. लाइक ओवेरियन हॉर्मोन्स जब रिलीज होते हैं तो एंडोमेट्रियम लाइनिंग में क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है और एग फॉर्मेशन कैसे जाती है जब LH और FSH होते हैं. तो दैट चार्ट यू कैन रेफर, एंड उसमें चारों ही चीज़ें एक बार में बताई हुई है. सो इट्स अ वेरी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव चार्ट. सो आई थिंक दैट वुड बी वेरी हेल्पफुल इफ यू गाइज रेफर टू दैट. Now, the fifth question is parthenogenesis does not occur in A. rotifers, B. honeybees, C. lizards, and D. mammals. Like you don't even have to think about this question. The answer is D, because mammals में parthenogenesis हो ही नहीं सकता. Parthenogenesis is what? Parthenogenesis is a type of an asexual reproduction in which fertilization also does not occur. So in mammals it cannot happen, right? So the answer is D. Yes, option D is correct. Let's see, the option D is correct. Parthenogenesis, the definition is written on the screen. Parthenogenesis is a form of asexual reproduction in which an unfertilized egg develops into an individual without the need for fertilization. और ये honeybees में होता है, right? It's also in the reproduction वाला chapter in which it's written. And it's like completely given how this happens. जो male honeybee होता है वो without fertilization it develops into an individual. So it can be observed in various animals, including rotifers, honeybees, some lizard species. Parthenogenesis does not occur in mammals. Mammals typically reproduce sexually, meaning that offsprings are produced through the fusion of male and female gametes. So the correct option is D. So that was it for today. It was like a very chill, short session, a very introduction type of a session. So now the thing is, if you are interested in the mock tests or crash course, you can log in with your contact number and give a call to the mentioned contact number on the website. So एग्जाम फैक्टर की वेबसाइट पे जाके एक आपको ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा मॉक टेस्ट और क्रैश कोर्स का बट इफ यू हैव मोर डाउट्स रिगार्डिंग इट यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट द अंडरसाइंड देयर so a representative will call you back and you can then solve your queries regarding whatever doubt you have. Now, there are also podcasts which the exam factor they keep posting and other YouTube videos that they keep posting at a regular interval on the YouTube channel. So I would suggest you guys to subscribe for more live videos like this, the live videos that us toppers are doing. It's not only for bio, it's for every subject, it's for all science, it's for geography, right? So you can also check out to that, or you can also refer to this to your friends. Maybe you're from science stream, the other person would be of humanities or something, so you can refer to them as well. And subscribe, tell them to subscribe. And yes, that was it, and thank you again.